People were always fascinated when I said I worked in archaeology. I often deal with artifacts, even more so than those who work in field archaeology. Often, they would come back from a dig frustrated because they had found absolutely nothing. I cared for many, many beads. The area of Huntington Beach. There is a swamp right next to a new housing development. As they were digging to build, they happened upon some bones. They had to put a full stop to their work, meet with the city and the 3 tribes. The tribes were Luciño, Gabrielino, and the 3rd tribe name escapes me. Over multiple meetings, they had seen me often and had come to trust me that I would care for their artifacts, to the point where they decided they were done and wanted to rebury the items, leaving them where they had been found. So we took 3D images, scanning every single object, taking special care to document each item. At the end of that project, I was burned out. I felt like I wasn't really doing much. I did some research on the side, but I wasn't really giving back to my community. I was giving back in a way. 2 publications came out of that project, but I felt I wanted to do more.